2012 Porsche 991. Just making a video so that if this happens to anybody else, I bought the car and somebody had disconnected the vacuum lines. So once they're disconnected, it can be confusing to where they go. So the one line comes out of the engine there, goes into a T, goes off over to the intake here, which is the one they had pulled out, and they reconnected it to another line up in these two electromagnetic solenoids. So there's two of them, 1, 2. The bottom one goes, the bottom ones come out of the bottom facing, shooting straight out the bottom. Those two connect to each other, one over to the other one underneath in the same spot, and then it tees off. You can see it teeing off on the bottom down there, right there, and then it travels behind the engine mount and goes back up to there. So the two top valves, the two tops, one tees off from the T that goes to the manifold, the intake, and coming from the engine, tees off and goes to both the two tops of the valves. The side ones that shoot out the side, like this one here, on a 90-degree out of the solenoid valves, those two go both to the air cleaner, to the actuators on the sound actuators on the air cleaner. So both of those side ones that shoot out go to the air cleaner. The bottom one connects to the other solenoid and then tees off into the car. So those two solenoids on the right hand side, that's the way they're hooked up. The tops are hooked up to the same, the bottoms are hooked up to the same, except the tops go out to the one valve over to the intake, and the bottoms go behind. You can see it going behind down here and into the car. It comes this way toward the valves. It's just teed off down there. I'll give you a good shot because it can be really confusing and a pain in the ass. Do it nice and slow. Okay, hope that helps people who have the same trouble I did. The Porsche dealer didn't even know what went where when I brought it there, so hope that helps.